Hi everyone, it's Maven Jess, Media Maven here at Haven Creative. It's media buying time, and you're probably wondering, how do I make sure I get a return on my investment in media for 2024? At Haven, this is exactly what we do with our consultative approach. We look at three different things: audience, channels, and creative. So looking at your audience, we really dig into the research. We look at where those people are buying. We'll look at personas. We'll look at why those people might buy your specific product or service. The next piece is the channels. We'll look at where can we reach those people? Is it through digital targeting? Is it video? Is it print? And we'll work with your team to identify those correct channels. And the final piece that we'll look at is your creative, because none of that matters if you don't have an amazing piece of creative that speaks to that audience that we've identified. To top it all off, we don't use jargon or BS. You'll always know from our team if you're getting a return on your investment. At Haven, it's not just about creative here. We're consultants of growth. Find us at havenmavens.com.